Over the years, scientists have observed some truly unusual anomalies in outer space, ranging from massive alien superstructures to unsettling formations on Mars. Here are some of the most mysterious space discoveries that continue to baffle us. In 1960, theoretical physicist Freeman Dyson released a paper outlining how civilizations might deal with their rapidly increasing energy demands. As energy consumption continues to grow, Dyson proposed the idea of building a massive sphere around a star to absorb all of its emitted energy. While this was originally a thought experiment, the discovery of Tabby's star has led some scientists to speculate that it might be the site of a partially constructed Dyson sphere. Tabby's star dims by as much as 22%, and this strange fluctuation in its brightness raises the question, could this be the result of an alien megastructure, or is there another explanation yet to be discovered? Another strange phenomenon is the Boötes Void, an enormous region of space that spans about 330 million light-years. This area contains very few galaxies, only around 60, compared to the 2,000 expected in similar regions. The cause of this super void remains a mystery, and scientists are still working to understand how this massive gap in the universe formed. In 2017, something truly peculiar was discovered. Oumuamua, a cigar-shaped object traveling at a speed so high that it could not have originated from within our solar system. This object, which passed through space in 2017, was the first interstellar object to be observed by scientists. Its origins, speed, and unusual appearance continue to spark debates among researchers. The Great Attractor is another mysterious gravitational anomaly located around 200 million light-years away from our galaxy. It seems to be exerting a powerful force on nearby galaxies, including our own. But the exact nature of what's causing this phenomenon is still unclear. Scientists are especially challenged in studying it due to the fact that it's on the opposite side of the Milky Way from Earth, making it difficult to observe directly. Huygens object is a galaxy located around 600 million light-years from Earth. It is known for its unusual structure, a ring galaxy with a noticeable gap between its core and younger blue stars. Scientists are unsure whether it's the result of a new type of galaxy formation or simply a rare occurrence. It remains the only galaxy of its kind, and researchers are eager to study more examples like it, if they exist. The Red Rectangle Nebula, discovered in 1973, is an unusual formation about 2,000 light-years away. It's a bipolar nebula with a remarkably symmetrical structure that looks like a gem floating in space. The nebula's distinct red color comes from the materials ejected by the central star, but the exact process behind its formation is still unknown. Current theories are just educated guesses, as much of the evidence is hidden behind the nebula itself. In 2013, a strange object called Peggy was spotted near the rings of Saturn. This small formation reflected more light than the surrounding dust, indicating that a moon was forming. However, further observations revealed that Peggy had collided with another object, and it was unclear whether it would continue to grow into a larger moon or break apart. This is the first time scientists have observed a moon-forming process like this, and its future remains uncertain. One of the most famous mysteries in space is the so-called face on Mars. In 1976, NASA's Viking 1 spacecraft captured an image of a formation in the region of Cydonia that looked remarkably like a human face. This sparked widespread speculation that it was a monument created by an ancient Martian civilization. However, higher-resolution images taken later showed it to be a natural mesa, with no evidence of any artificial structure. Despite this, the face remains one of the most iconic images of Mars. A truly perplexing discovery came in 2017, when astronomers identified a rogue planet named SIMP-0136. Unlike typical planets that orbit stars, this object was adrift in space without a parent star. What made the discovery even more mysterious was that SIMP-0136 had its own magnetic field, something previously thought impossible for such an object. This planet's auroras and other unusual characteristics are still not fully understood. Another puzzling object is 62P Caesar, a minor planet discovered in 1979. While classified as an asteroid, it also behaves like a comet by developing a tail during certain parts of its orbit. This raises questions about the presence of water in the asteroid belt and could provide clues about the origins of Earth's water. Haumea, a dwarf planet in the Kuiper belt, has also intrigued scientists. This oval-shaped object spins incredibly fast, completing a day in just 4 hours. Scientists believe Haumea was once part of a larger moon that was destroyed in a collision. but the exact reason for its unusual shape remains a mystery. Hamia's fast rotation and oval shape are unlike any other known object in the solar system. In a surprising discovery, astronomers found that a planet had survived the death of its parent star. Typically, when a star goes supernova, any orbiting planets are destroyed. But a planet orbiting a white dwarf was observed around 2,000 light-years away. This planet managed to survive even after its star had collapsed, proving that our understanding of star and planet evolution needs to be reconsidered. Saturn's moon Hyperion is another oddity. This irregularly shaped moon is covered in craters and is thought to be the remnant of a much larger moon that was destroyed in a collision. Hyperion is also unique in that it has an unpredictable rotation and is mostly empty space. Scientists are still working to understand why Hyperion behaves the way it does, and it remains one of the most intriguing moons in our solar system. Solar terminator events discovered on the Sun are among the most powerful phenomena in our solar system. These events occur when the Sun's magnetic fields weaken and collide along its equator, triggering massive waves of plasma that ripple across the surface. The cause of these events and their role in the Sun's cycle of activity is still unknown, but they represent a key area of ongoing research. Finally, the discovery of Boötes, a comet from outside our solar system, has left scientists stunned. First observed in 2019, Boötes traveled through space at an incredible speed and displayed a tail that was more than 100,000 miles long. Its rapid movement and strange origin have only added to the mysteries of interstellar objects. These discoveries highlight just how much we still don't know about the universe. And the more we learn, the more questions arise. Each of these findings brings us one step closer to understanding the vast and enigmatic space around us.